guys, it's Judy. And you know how Fred stalked me the other day? Yeah, that wasn't nice. I'm going to show him what it feels like. Okay, I'm at his house. I found his door. Oh no, Fred's grandma's there. I'm going to try to sneak past her. Don't look. Oh my god, she didn't even realize it. Okay, I'm in his house. I'm just searching around for little stuff to find. Ooh, Fred has a pink chair. Hey. Oh my god, look! Okay. I'm just searching for stuff to find. Searching. Oh my god. Look at his bedroom. Ducks. Yeah. Let's see his bedroom. Oh, look at this. Look. Do you see this? Okay, his bathroom is weird, and did you realize that his mom is in the bathroom, and they have a duck bathroom? Duck. Anyway. Let's see. Oh my god, Fred is such a baby. Look at this chair. And they have a Sony TV. Look. Sony. So, I've got to tell you that, Fred has a weird house. Look, this is when his mom was little. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Yeah, that looks nothing like me. Okay, looking around. Look, it's old. God, that screen is coming. I gotta get out. I'll say, hey, what are you doing?